G'day folks, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's January 8, 2024. This is the silver analysis on the commodity price, but also some shares and ETFs, including SLV, iShares Silver Trust, and AG, First Majestic Silver Corp. First off, on the commodity price for silver, we've got here on the weekly, daily, and hourly. First off, on the weekly, you can see there our CCI 400, our trend indicator, is pretty much trending sideways to bearish. It's broken below its moving average. Our CCI 150, which is our divergence indicator, is pretty much trending in line with the price, meaning there's no divergence at the moment. And you can see there the price has been fluctuating in that range between 22.51 and 25.92, and it's just still hovering in there for the moment, for the time being. On the daily, you can see more closely the 400 CCI 400 is broken below its moving average and starting to potentially turn into a bearish outlook, but at the moment still flat, trading flat. Now, if it breaks below this support at 22.51, then we're going to see it another couple of support levels down here, right down to the 20.69 possibly. So that CCI 400 is not looking too rosy at the moment, but we'll keep an eye on it in coming days if it does bounce off this support. The CCI 150, as you can see, again is also trending in line with the price. There's no real divergence to talk of, and that's also trending flat within that range on the price channel. On the hourly chart, we did have a couple of divergence, and there's more divergence generally in the hourly chart. You had a bearish, well, if I go back in history, I do keep all these rectangles which identify the targets potentially hit. We had a bearish divergence here. Price fell and hit our target level, which was in that area there. And then since then, we've had a bullish divergence. It bounced, hit our target area. And it's been, again, it was trending in line with the price during those days, and then it started falling. And now, more recently, we had a bullish divergence. You can see there versus the price, it bounced, hit our target since our last video. So that's a target hit on that one. Now, on the CCI 400, you can see there, this one fluctuates a lot more than it weekly and daily. But again, it's still a somewhat bullish to sideways movement. And the 150 as well, our divergence indicator, is still trending higher. So we may see further highs on this one. If it does break above that 61% level, that's always a sign potentially where we're going to see a reversal and a continuation of an uptrend in this case. So at the moment, still trending downwards overall. If you look at the big picture for the commodity price, it's still pretty much downwards on all time frames, including the daily. I should change that to more a downwards direction. And likewise on the weekly, I would suggest more of a downwards trend as well. Now on the, what have we got next? On the iShares Silver Trust. This one has got a slightly, well, it's the same sort of identification as the commodity price. You can see there it's broken below on the daily, it's broken below on the weekly, and there's no divergence really to talk of on the weekly and daily. However, on the hourly, we did have again a bearish divergence here versus the price. It came down, hit our target, and it's been trending sideways and giving us this double bottom off this minor support at 20.61. So again, similar to the commodity price, that could be a bounce off that level there. And then lastly, on the First Majestic Silver Corp, we've got again a bearish outlook so far on the weekly, although we did have a bullish divergence here on the weekly chart. You can see there more closely versus lower lows on the price, higher lows on the CCI 150, and it bounced, hit our target, and that target range would have been in that range there of the divergence of the Fibonacci level between that range there. On the daily, similarly, we had another bullish divergence here, went up, hit our target area, and we were still in a upward momentum on the daily, but again, you'll notice the CCI 150s touched the moving averages on that one. And lastly, on the 1 hour chart, you can see there that was trending upwards, but it's broken down since our last video, and that's also in a downtrend. I'll just move that there. We did have a bearish divergence here on the CCI 150, and it came down and hit our target area as well, which is identified there. We had one target there and another target there. I just haven't drawn that first target on that first one. So at the moment, on this one, the First Majestic Silver, somewhat bearish, I would say, on the weekly, neutral on the daily, and bearish on the hourly. So again, just avoid taking trades until we see all time frames align to be more confident with some trades to be executed correctly. So if you got value out of the video, hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.